is, I think they will be more stronger because itong start nila, maganda na yung pinakita nila, and I think going to semifinals, the connection will be more stronger and they will deliver really, and I think they can be the champion really here in ABC.
Ano lang, gano'n ka lang ka-proud mo sa pagkakanta rin sa World Rankings?
Sobrang nakaka-proud kasi before parang we're trying to go up and we're trying to qualify in other leagues, but this time we can see the improvement and how our girls really, they're working hard to win every game. So nakaka-proud and nakakatawa ng puso din na makita lahat ng tao dito sa ayun na sinusuportahan nila, and I think that's one of the reasons also na nag-deliver and nagpe-perform ng maayos yung Alas Pilipinas.
Jaja, gano'n ka lang ka-impressed dun sa parang chemistry ng team? Parang matagal lang pinagsamahan nila pero bago form pa lang.
Again po, sorry.
Gano'n ka ka-impressed dun sa chemistry ng team? Parang ang tagal lang nung pinagsamahan nila pero last week lang naman na form.
Actually, I don't know how to react with their chemistry right now. Katulad nga sabi ko kanina, in a short of time, their connection is really strong immediately, and I think one of the reason also Gia leads the team really well, and I think that's one of the good thing now na merong nagli-lead sa kanila sa loob ng court and they follow.
Jaja, as a former member, ano lang yung wish mo sa national team program natin?
Of course, ang wish ko is not this team will continue hanggang we really have a big potential na eventually will be in VNL or Olympics, and with this kind of lineup, I think we can get that team.
Jaja, ano yung nakikita mong character nila? Ano yung nakikita mong character nila kaya sila nakasupong?
Everyone is palaban, actually. And makikita mo sa lahat na they're really willing to give their best and puso to win every game. And sa kanila, nakikita ko ngayon sa lineup na kahit sino ipasok, I will deliver. Yun yung maganda sa characteristic ng mga players ngayon.
Jaja, ano yung napansin mong iba sa national team na to compared sa mga national team siguro na naging part na mo?
I think this is the youngest player sa team, and kahit bata, makikita mo like kanino, Angel, kahit sabihin natin this is her first time and Gagate, their first time to play in the national team, you can see their willingness and like deliver really well sa game.